Today we are gonna be building a $3,500 PC build. This we got here, honestly. Cool. Be careful with the. Gotta be careful with this. Hold up, guys. Hold up, yo. I'm nervous. We officially just got my CPU in there. I'm super nervous. I don't even know if I put it on the right way. Not me watching a video. 64 DDR RAM. Where's my knife? Careful with the CPU. You drop anything on top of it, I'm gonna lose my mind. I actually cry, bro. It's a DDR5. Whenever you guys are installing the DDR5, make sure you guys are putting it the right side down. The last thing you want to hear is a crack. Okay. Nice. That's one of them in there. And I'm sorry I'm not making this as entertaining as I could be, guys. This is just like my very first video that I do where I think I know what I'm doing, but in reality I really don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Those are my two things of RAM officially installed. You guys can actually start seeing it come together. There we go. Now I think I'm recording. Yo, was I not recording the whole time? I could have swore I was recording the whole time. Fuck! Fuck! No Wi-Fi for the next 24 hours again? Oh! Problem is, hold on, let me close the blinds now. Oh my god. Man, how is that even possible, bro? Why do I gotta wait another 24 hours for me to get an appointment with them, bro? Oh, this is so obnoxious. Guys, but we back though. It doesn't matter. This PC's probably not gonna be done today. Listen to me. If this table breaks on me and it lands on my feet, I'm gonna be broke. What am I supposed to do, bro? The whole build cost me roughly $4,000 because I fucked up a couple times. Yo, what was that? I got a knife. Don't come in here. We good. Alright, chat. We back in it, yo. The box. Woo! Got multiple things in here. We got my $300 4 terabytes. Keep in mind, yo, I had already bought a $150 one, which comes with a heatsink, but I don't need a heatsink. I don't. My case comes with a heatsink, bro. It's better than what it comes with, dude. Keep opening it up. Let's keep opening it up. Woo! Got the Interstellars. Oh, and we got some thermal grizzly, which I'm not using the thermal grizzly. In the beginning, I thought I needed some, but my Arctic cooler comes with thermal paste, and I just didn't need it. So what did I do? I bought this one by accident, and I bought it with a fan. And I needed to get the fans, and then once I canceled this, the fans took like 2 days. I'm like, I can't wait 2 days. So what did I do? I ordered this again, but I'm gonna return it. So this goes over there. More money I spent. But like I said, these are my reverse fans. I hope they silent, but I went a little bit cheaper, man. I ain't getting no Lian leads. Lian leads was gonna take longer than Friday. Did I take off the wrong one? No, I'm not taking off. Ah, careful! What is going on? Careful! Oh, calm down, bro. Calm down, bro. I can't fuck this up, bro. Not going in. What am I doing, bro? It's supposed to just be able to slide right in, right? Ouch, what is that noise? Calm down. Why is this not going in anymore? I'm sweating, bro. I don't even want to touch it, bro. I'm sweating. Oh, it's in. SSD is officially in. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I was up in Boston with my girlfriend's 6-year anniversary. Shout out to my girl. 6-year anniversary, guys. What comes next? I think now we get my PSU out. Oh, that case, man. Now we start getting the PSU with the wires out. Like I said, we got a Corsair RMX. I was gonna get a different PSU, but that PSU was gonna come next week, and I'm not waiting till next week to build that 5080 back there, baby. Nah, we ain't doing that, so let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. You guys know I'm a ninja with the knife. Where do we start? How do we open this? I see it. We open it down here. Boop. Close that knife up. You guys know knives are dangerous. Look at all that stuff, man. Let's go. I don't even know what's in here. All right, so we got, calm down. We got some zip ties. I might have to unstream because I got to go look up some stuff. I don't have any Wi-Fi, so I got to use my phone. We got some zip ties. Anything that's going to be for the PSU, I'm putting them right over here. Don't forget, right over there, guys. Woo! Got the main power cord right over here. We don't need it at the moment. Then we got a bag of goodies, and we got the PSU itself. Which for now, we're just gonna go ahead and plug in the stuff I need. And that is one less box I gotta worry about. Hold up, guys. If only you guys saw what I was doing on my boxes. They're all over there. All right, let's see. So we got this over here. Oh, I need a 16. All right, first, all right, calm down. I think the liquid cooler goes in there before anything else. Liquid cooler goes in there before anything else. I'm pretty sure that's what those were the stuff. Didn't I have the manual around here? I did have the manual. Where'd it go? Man, who took my... I had the manual yesterday, bro. You know what? It's whatever. We don't need it. We're gonna go ahead and open up my Arctic liquid freezer. Yeah, boy. Yeah. All right, where does this have to tape? Gotta be around here somewhere, right? Oh, found it. Hey, that's one, wasn't it? Corners. Woo! You guys saw that pop? Woo! I've never opened one of these. Guys, keep in mind, this is my first time ever building a PC. I got zero experience doing this shit, bro. I hope it goes good, man. I spent so much money, man. I just spent like $3,500, man. Sheesh, I might not be able to eat for 2 weeks. Sheesh. Alright, so let's go ahead and lay it on its side. Already, this bad boy out. Woo! Not a bad way to package it. Another box that's out of the way. What up, guys? I gotta pick it up. Gotta pick it up. Totally making a pile of boxes, yo. Woo! I thought it was white for a second. This is gonna be the part for the liquid cooler, which I need for the CPU. I need that so I can't forget where that is. Woo! This is the liquid cooler right here, guys. Oh, where does this go? Oh, this is what I gotta peel. I'm peeling this off, and I'm just putting that on, aren't I? Ooh, that's cold. Then we got an extra fan. I wonder where this fan goes. This is another piece I'm just gonna put right over there. Woo! Baby! This is a mean thing right here, y'all. I don't even have any more space for the box. Oh, this is heavy. Woo! This thing is hefty. Are you guys seeing the size of this? Come now, come now. Yo, this is huge, bro. No diddy, no homo, yo. Pause, man. Yo, my phone chat. Hella crazy, bro. Ooh, this is nice. Alright, so what is my setup gonna... I can mount this at the top or at the bottom for me to get these things off. I don't know about the bottom. I might have to go with the top, though. This is where some things come in. We got a couple filters. Got one big filter at the bottom. It's my knife. Did any of you guys see where I put my knife? Instructions were covering it. My dump. So, okay, so it looks like they already daisy chained. You guys know I needed one, man. Yo, what's up, everybody? This is officially day 3 of... You guys don't know what happened. I had to order a brand new CPU cooler because the one I had was way too big for my case. This is how this would look. Is that okay? Is that okay? So that's one screw over here. Oh shoot. These the right ones? These are the only screws that we have. Alright guys, let's go ahead and put this in here. This is how it's coming out so far. Motherboard right there. Alright guys, we're just about done installing it. We did do a previous boot up, which I didn't record unfortunately, which was the very first time I booted up, which I was. And we are missing one RGB connector for this main one, which we'll be getting. So don't worry about that. Stay tuned for that. Fans are good. I mean, everything else works. Everything works. I just ran out of one connector that I plugged into something else. But it can't, yeah, no, this guy, yeah, it doesn't work. Because this is, yeah, that doesn't work. It doesn't have A-RGB. Like I said, this was a crazy experience, though. I didn't think it was going to be this long or this hard. But it was both of those things, honestly. And that's okay. Now for the best part. Perfect. Now, the part you all been waiting to see. The cable management. And ta-da! Yeah, please don't look at it too much. I still got some work to do. Good thing it's black and you can't see it. Right, perfect. Go ahead and we pop back on all of our panels. Nice. Now Now we come over to the front. Before we put the front one on, I'm gonna go ahead and pop off the back case off. This is definitely backwards. Jesus Christ. All the other ones, I gotta turn this around. Oh yeah, I really put it on the wrong way. Oh, no wonder. Pretty sure this goes out, because that's the nice side. Yeah, I got this right. Yeah, these are Lian Lee's. Let me go ahead and switch this back. Shouldn't be a biggie. Okay, okay. Now we go ahead really gentle around them. Explains everything. Go ahead and line this bad boy up. Really can't put it on like that because we're just that bad. Where we want it, up high, a little bit lower. Nice. Now we can go ahead and finish this fan off. I literally had a reverse fan. Reverse. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make that joke. I know it wasn't that funny. Ugh. Damn, dropped my bit. Nice. Now we go ahead and we take this one off. Oh, we took that boy off. Let's go. Oh, you guys missed it. Now that should work with the flow better. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the back case from this one. We're gonna put it how it's supposed to go. We're gonna be going from the top. Guys, ready for this? We're gonna go ahead and peel it open. Nice. It's got a lot of static. Nice. Nice. Now we got these two, which I don't think I'm gonna remove right now. I think I'm gonna remove them tomorrow, actually. Or I might leave them on forever. I don't know, but I'm not removing these. Put it up there before I can boot it up. I think that's what we're gonna do. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Yo, we are setting up the computer, guys. I have no clue. I have no clue if I should set my computer up here or if I should keep it down there where I have it. I think we might have to go down here just because it's so heavy. But I don't even care, man. My table is so strong. I just gotta clean the mess I got in the room, y'all. Nope. Nope. Woo, we're not doing that ever again. Ah, yo. We about to turn the PC on. It's alive. It freaking works, yo. Here, let me get you guys a close-up, yo, because I'm about to start cleaning up, guys. Let me get you guys a close-up, because look at the mess I got in here. Let me get you guys a close-up of this beautiful setup. We got the GeForce RTX 5080. A cooler, which is missing my RGB, which I already went out and got an extender, which is going to light this up and that up. And then we got all my fans. That's it for me, my people. I'm out of here.